Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on connecting the Kindle Paperwhite to GoodReads. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Kindle homepage, tap the three dots button in the top right corner. Tap Settings from the menu that appears. In Settings, tap Your Account at the top. Then tap GoodReads. On the next page, tap GoodReads again. You can tap Join GoodReads if you don't have a GoodReads account. Or tap Already a Member if you have an account already. Enter your GoodReads email and password and then tap Sign In. You can rate the books suggested or tap Skip. Your Kindle is now connected to your GoodReads account, and you can use GoodReads on your Kindle. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.